Hi, this is Naveen. Today I am here to explain you what support and resistance is in the technical analysis. Below are the topics that are covered in this video. Whenever you see a price chart of any stock, you see that the price won't move in a straight line. Instead, it fluctuates up and down over the time. However, when the price repeatedly reaches the certain value then reverses its direction, it creates key levels called support and resistance. What is support? Support is the price level where the stock has tested the same lower level more than once. Here the demand is strong enough to prevent the price from declining further, due to high number of buyers than the sellers. The support level is strong enough if it is tested multiple times. Resistance is the vice versa of the support. It is the price level where the stock has tested the same upper level more than once. Here the supply is strong enough to prevent the price from increasing further, due to high number of sellers than the buyers. The resistance level is strong enough, if it is tested multiple times. Support occurs when a downtrend is expected to pause, and resistance will occur when an uptrend is expected to pause temporarily, due to concentration of supply. The psychology behind the price raising from the support. In a given financial market, there are typically two types of participants. The bulls, who are long and waiting for the price to rise. The bears, who are short and waiting for the price to fall. As the price indicates to rise from a support level, the investors who are already holding the long position are happy, and may consider adding more to their positions. The traders who are holding the short position will buy now, to book their profits. The new day traders might enter the long position, as the stock is at the support level. As these three types of orders are punched at the same time, the stock price tends to go up from the support level. Vice versa for the resistance level. Existing seller adding more. New day traders entering short. And profit booking by the buyers. As these three types of orders are punched at the same time at the resistance level, the stock price tends to go down. What happens when a support or resistance level is broken? A key concept of technical analysis is that, when a resistance or support level is broken, its role is reversed. If the price rises above the resistance level, it is called a breakout. Now a resistance will act as a new support. If the price falls below the support level, it is called as breakdown. Once after the breakdown, support will act as a new resistance. How to find support and resistance levels? To find support level in any script, look for the same lower price level which is tested for at least 2 times. Now connect those 2 points with a horizontal line, you find the support. If the price reaches the same support level again and indicates to go up, you can initiate a buy trade. Same for the resistance. Look for the same upper price level tested for at least 2 times. Now connect those points with a horizontal line, you find the resistance. If the price reaches the same resistance level again and indicates to go down, you can initiate a sell trade. Let's see some examples for support and resistance. This is Axis Bank chart, where we got 2 support and 2 resistance points. If we connect those points with a horizontal line, we get support and resistance level. Let's see how these levels got respected. You see that the price has respected resistance for twice, and support for thrice. This is how you find the support and resistance levels in any stocks. Let's see some of the other examples. This is Bank Nifty chart, we got the support level, and the index has respected the same level for the 3rd time. This is housing developmental finance. We got 2 resistance points. If you connect those points with a horizontal line, we get the resistance level. The price has respected the same level for the 3rd time and gave a breakout above resistance. After the breakout, resistance turned to new support and the price got bounced from the same level. Hope you understood the concept. Though you have learned everything about support and resistance, you are not supposed to enter a trade immediately when the stock is at the support or resistance level. You need to wait for the additional confirmation, that is candlestick confirmation, which I will be explaining in my next video. For more educational videos like this regarding stock market, do subscribe. Thank you.